Twice a year in spring and summer, the Evansville Water and Sewer Utility temporarily changes the disinfectant used in the water treatment process to help keep water mains clean and free of potentially harmful bacteria. The switch can cause a slight change in the odor of your tap water, but does not affect water quality. State drinking water guidelines recommend that utilities that use chloramine periodically switch to free chlorine. This temporary switch is a proactive step to ensure proper disinfectant levels are maintained throughout the year in our water mains and pipes that deliver your drinking water. Most customers will not need to take precautions. However, both chloramine and free chlorine must be removed from water used for kidney dialysis and fish. And as always, the drinking water will be routinely monitored to ensure it meets or exceeds state and federal safe drinking water standards. For more information, visit EWSU.com and search temporary chlorine changes.